Hello, my dear fellow day traders. Welcome to 30th April 2019's pre-open analysis. Today, SGX Nifty is showing 44 points up, down move at the level of 11,825 levels. And US markets have done pretty okay for itself yesterday. Remember, yesterday was a trading holiday for Indian markets, and SGX Nifty has scaled quite a lot yesterday, and that's the reason it is at the level of 11,825 levels, where it is showing 44 points down move. And US markets have done pretty okay for itself yesterday. That is 11 points up on DowJones, 15 points up on Nasdaq, 3 points up on S&P. So seeing the cues from US markets and SGX Nifty, Indian markets will open in flat to green in today's pre-open and open session. So yesterday's was a holiday. There was no trading day yesterday, and the market went to the all-time high, which is 11,760 almost, when we closed on Friday, and market rose all the way to the level of resistance, and it is about to cross that particular resistance, which probably may happen today, or it may happen in couple of sessions. So seeing that, let's see what are the supports and resistances. Resistance being 11,758, whereas the market has actually closed at the level of 11,755. So that is the first resistance. Above that, 11,788 level. 11,800 is a psychological resistance. 11,850 is a psychological resistance. 11,858 is an all-time high, which is a huge resistance in the market. And what are the supports we have to watch out for in today's session? The supports being 11,700 level itself is a strong support for the market, which is a psychological support. 11,655 levels and 11,638 and 11,610 levels are the levels of support. If that is also barred, 11,605 and 11,567 levels and 11,548 levels, and the levels of 11,500 and 11,482 and 11,467 are the levels of support we have to watch out for in today's session. So that being said, let's see what fast stochastic and slow stochastic denote. Slow stochastic is at the level of 51, fast stochastic is at the level of 66, which denotes that we are not in an overbought zone or oversold zone. We can move upwards or downwards according to these indicators. MACD is at the level of 98, whereas exponential at 116. That being said, the momentum, slow stochastic, fast stochastic, nothing is denoting that we will go downwards in today's session. MACD is already down, so MACD is not suggesting we'll go very high from here, but not low from here as well. So that is the technical analysis for today, guys. If you want all this technical knowledge for yourself, click on the first link in the description below. You will be taught 3 strategies which makes you money on a daily basis. If you like this video, give a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Share the video for all the knowledge needies. This is Ashok Kumar signing off, people. Happy trading and happy money making.